equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, replacement screws, and a cleaning cloth. First, unplug your Thermomix TM5 for safety. Remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws. Keep them in a safe place. Next, inspect the closure system for any wear or damage. A professional diagnosis without obligation can help identify issues. Clean the internal components with a cloth to remove any debris. Now, replace the closure system. Align it properly and secure it with the new screws. Ensure everything is tight but not over-tightened. Next, check the wheel. If it's loose, adjust it by tightening the screws. Remember, pickup and delivery at your home is available if you prefer professional help. After reassembling, do a visual inspection to ensure everything is in place. No calls, no travel needed for this simple fix. Finally, if you need assistance, always ask for a quote before repair. Your Thermomix TM5 will be as good as new. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.